If you're a parent, teacher, or student, you're familiar with an event that takes place every semester, the open house. If you're not in any of those three groups, you might wonder what exactly goes on, which is why we were at Stafford Elementary one evening.
Well, tonight is our spring open house for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th grade students. We had our spring open house for pre-K to 1 on Monday, and so tonight is the opportunity for the upper grade families to come out and check in and see what their students are doing. When they visit their students' classrooms, we've asked the teachers, of course, to have student work on display. They're going to be able to take a look at what their students have been working on, some of their actual work. They get to see the classroom environment and get a feel, for what the child sees each and every day. They also have an opportunity to chat briefly with the teacher, keep that line of communication open, reestablish that rapport, and just ask questions. The teacher's able to share, what some of the expectations are. For 3rd and 4th grade, it's test season starts coming up, so that will be a hot topic for tonight. And teachers have a lot of information that they'll be able to share with parents with ways that they can work with their child at home as well.
But that's not all that's going on with this particular open house.
At 7 o'clock, our extended day program will be sponsoring a fashion show. So open house runs from 5:30 to 6:30, and then after that, parents can pop in to the elementary cafeteria for the fashion show. And many of our students, I think there's about over 200, about close to maybe 225 that are enrolled in the after-school extended day program. I just want to say that for the parents that are watching this, we appreciate their support. We need you guys as parents, your continued support working with your child at home. We have a lot of gains that we want the elementary campus to make this year. We're looking and striving for that grade level of A from TEA. So again, but you working in conjunction with us, it takes a team, and hopefully we can get there.
For Spartan Spotlight, this is Randall Williams.